Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to review filtered comments on TikTok. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok application on your mobile phone and go to your profile from the bottom right corner. This is my TikTok profile, and in the profile you will see a hamburger menu on the top right corner. So tap on it, then you will see settings and privacy option in the bottom. So tap on settings and privacy. Next, on the settings and privacy page, tap on the privacy option. On the next page, scroll down and you will see the comments option. Tap on it, and in the comments, turn on this option, filter all comments. After that, scroll down and tap on review filtered comments. All the filtered comments will appear here, and from here you can review all the filtered comments. In my case, I don't have any filtered comments to review, but you can review filtered comments from here. And this is how you can review filtered comments on TikTok.